You've probably heard AI is amazing. It's changing everything. It's the future. But what happens when that future no longer includes you? Now think about it. In the past year alone, thousands of jobs have disappeared, not because of the economy, but because of automation. Call centers replaced by chatbots. Writers laid off as companies switch to AI-generated content. Even artists are losing work to machines that never sleep. Take me, for example. I'm Adam, an AI voiceover that can speak different languages, tones, accents, and even have sound effects. Can you keep up? Let's take BuzzFeed, for example, who let go of dozens of writers and then announced it would use AI to create quizzes and articles. IBM? They've paused hiring for over 7,800 jobs because AI can handle them now. Even Amazon and Walmart are testing AI to replace warehouse workers and cashiers. This isn't the future. This is this week. Maybe you think your job is safe. You're creative. You're technical. You're essential. But what if I told you that AI can now write code, edit videos, grade papers, and even generate entire ad campaigns faster than a human team? And this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI will continue to learn and grow. If your job involves a computer, it's already in the AI's crosshairs. In the United States, over 17,000 jobs have been officially lost to AI as of late 2024. The tech sector alone saw nearly 78,000 layoffs in 2025, directly linked to AI. Worldwide, it's estimated that between 60,000 and 150,000 jobs have already been eliminated because of artificial intelligence. And that's likely an undercount. And this is just the beginning. According to Goldman Sachs, 300 million jobs worldwide could be affected by AI in the near future. A McKinsey report warns that nearly half of all work tasks could be automated using today's technology. And OpenAI's own research, 80% of workers will see at least 10% of their tasks impacted by AI. The shift isn't coming, it's happening now. This isn't just numbers. These are parents, students, artists, friends getting laid off by systems that don't feel regret. No severance, no warning, just an email saying, "We've decided to go in a different direction." Most people just carry on with their day, thinking, "This won't affect me, it can't do what I do." Well, maybe not right now, but eventually it will. So what can you do? You can adapt and learn the tools. Use them before they use you. Because pretending this isn't happening won't protect your job, but preparing for it might. This isn't hype, it's a countdown. The future of work is here, and it doesn't knock before entering. Subscribe, because next week, your job might be next. Find out on the Infinite Rabbit Hole. Stay tuned.